This is a home inspection overview of unit 625. We're going to start here in the attic and then do the interior and then finish up outside. So here you can see the trusses in good shape, nothing damaged, and they're pretty all clipped. And at the bottom of the sheeting as well, you can see there's no staining on the sheeting. All that is good, no staining here on the catwalk. Plenty of insulation. Insulation is between 9 and 10 inches in many locations. This is the air handler. This is what throws your air from downstairs into the rest of the house. This is also the furnace. We put in the heat, but the heat did not respond, so I have it on the report as well. So here again, more insulation here, insulation all the way around the house, and again the sheeting in good shape. So the attic looks good. The only thing is the furnace for the heat not working. So I'm gonna go down, then I will do the inside, and then I'll do the outside. Coming down the steps. I'm gonna go here. We start here in the master and go all the way around, and then I show you everything that I found. And there'll be some information as well as things to be corrected. So before I start, this is what I use to check your outlets. Nothing magical with this. This is hot, neutral, ground. So that would be black, white, and this would be green. So I check all the outlets to make sure that they have, they operate the way it's supposed to. And here to tell you the voltage. Everything is good in here. I check all the ones that are accessible. I also check the ones outside. So on the outside, we have one that is loose, and I'll show you what that is. All right, so here's the master. I check everything here. The sinks, make sure that there's no problem with leaks underneath here. The water faucets work, and again, I have pictures and description to show you that. Check all the windows. This is your thermostat to get two, one up here and one downstairs. I check the fans and everything around here. The washer and dryer. We check to make sure they got power. They also have drain, and the valves are clean. All that is done in here. Check all your windows in here as well. So now I'm gonna go downstairs, and then we'll continue. Okay, so coming down here, we go all the way around and check, like I said, all the fans. Here in the kitchen, I check all your appliances, including the stove, microwave, and your refrigerator. And I got pictures of all that. Garbage disposal, this is where you turn it on, so that's working there. The fan right here, the exhaust, does make a little bit of noise, and I do have that in the report when you are using it. Check all your windows, and also look at your flooring all the way around there. And then I'll continue this way to go into the garage, and then we'll finish up outside. So the garage, I check all the garage door opener, all that works. And then I check for power in all your outlets here as well. And we check for power on this one right here, power there, power here as well. And open and close your garage door and make sure that everything works. The hot water heater is giving us temperature of 115, 117, which is okay. It's supposed to be less than 125. Okay, so continuing here. This is, again, the exhaust for the outside. I check all your fences and gates. This is your gas meter. We make sure that it is grounded for the unit right here. And then irrigation system, I put it on manual to check it for you. It's not part of the inspection, but I do it anyway. It's a little bit loose here, so it just needs to be fastened. It could be fastened by putting clear silicone all the way around it. This is the GFCI ground fault circuit interrupter, just like the ones that I show you here. And we get to test these and trip them. This is what controls all the power all the way around the outside lights, like for Christmas lights and stuff like that. So if they do not work, that's because you have to reset it here. So I'm going to trip it like this, and then all you have to do is reset it right here. Some of the GFCIs are to be reset right here in the panel. So it all depends. Some of the ones in the kitchen are, so you just have to come over here and reset them back. 200 amps, and I got all that information from here as well. It is required to be max of 200, and that's what you have. All that is good here. The hose bib, the handle is broken, so I reported that. Gave me about 60 PSI, which is good. It's supposed to be between 45 and 65, no, not higher than 80 PSI. So going all the way around, I'll show you the AC unit. The AC unit is not balanced, and it needs to be balanced for make sure the performance works okay. All right, check out your windows. I checked all the screens, and again, all that is, this is your ground. It is protected as well, and that one, ground fault circuit interrupted. And here is the unit. You can see that is not balanced. Like I said, that is in the, it's on the report. And here is the level that I used. You can see it's a little bit off here. So again, this is in the report with pictures and descriptions. And then I flew the drone, no broken tiles up on the roof. So I'll send you a report later on today. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me.